Guys, now there's two pairs that I'm looking at right now. Uh, the first pair that I'm looking at is the CAD-CHF, and the second pair is the USD-CHF. I'm looking at those two pairs to see if there's a possible there will be a possible entry as a buy, right? So first, let's look at the CAD-CHF. So I'm in the weekly. So I'm looking to see if there's a weekly, where's the weekly support? I would say around that price. So this is my support line area on the weekly for the CAD-CHF. So I would say if it enters that area, it should bounce up, right? So let me see, where are we in the market? As you can see, we're already close to the CAD-CHF. In the CAD-CHF, we're already close of the weekly support. So if you're an aggressive trader, based on your confirmation standards, some of you would probably entered already, and based off your risk management, you would have entered already. For me, I am kind of a picky entry guy, and I'm not in a rush to make money, so I wouldn't consider myself to enter yet. For me to enter, if we look at the H4 level, we see a double divergence. So I would like to see a hammer before I enter this pair, or wait for it to enter that area, and then after two up candles, that's where I would consider entering. Or I would wait for it to do at the M15 level, I would wait for it to do a M15 divergence, and then I would enter that pair. So I would wait for it to bounce up, enter, and then once I have my confirmation at the M15, and if I'm an aggressive entry guy, I would enter at M15 and then trade it out. So me, I don't have a confirmation yet for me to enter, but it's an interest rate to look at for a buy. Very interesting. So let's say it does another up candlestick, then probably I would consider entering. But me, I'm kind of a picky trader. I would wait for it to enter that area, and then I wait for my confirmation, and then I would take the buy. Right? So it's not ready yet, per se. For the USD CHF, we at the monthly. You already passed the monthly area. So it's in the monthly area. So this is where you would consider taking a buy, because it's going to bounce right up. It should be bouncing right up. As you can see also, in terms of a weekly, it did a weekly divergence. So it's going to bounce up. So look at the H4, it did an H4 divergence. So for that pair, I'll wait for confirmation to enter for a buy. So once I have that confirmation, I would consider this pair to enter it for a buy, because it's in the area. It's in the monthly support. Right? So based on your entry criteria, your risk management criteria, it's an interesting trade to enter for a buy. All right? So that's pretty much it for those two pairs that I'm looking at and I'm really interested in entering. So yes, well, that's pretty much it.